Recognition and counting. Recognise place value of numbers greater than 10,000. We only use 10 digits to make all the numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After we reach 9, we start a new column and combine the digits. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. The value of each digit in a number is its place value. The value of the blue ones in these numbers is 10. As numbers get bigger, we add more columns. We've got 100,000s, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones and units, and sometimes the headings can be shortened. Each column is 10 times bigger than the one to its right. So 110 is the same as 10 ones, 100 is 10 tens, and 1000 is 10 100s. Each number has its own place value. The value of the 2 is 2 hundreds or 200, and the value here of the 6 is 6 10,000s or 60,000. As numbers get bigger, we add more columns. What's the value of the digit 5 in this number? Let's put the number into our columns. Look at the 5, it's 5,000s or 5,000. What's the value of the digit 7 in this number? Let's put it into our columns. We can see the 7 is 100,000s, so it's 700,000. Remember, we use 10 digits to make up all the different numbers. After we reach 9, we start a new column and combine the digits. When we combine digits to make bigger numbers, their value changes, and the value of each digit in a number is its place value. We can see place value clearly when we use our columns.